say su katuda or poisla put it father a worthy a more passura worthy a sonilo. Let an okudaro, no? Painy, say su katuda luminu, no? Jesus argue with Israel people because they don't believe Jesus. This means I'm not sure what happened in Jesus and the Israel people, all right? Because they are common generation and the father. This means we had to I had to read about little bit and the John chapter 8. We started to the 42. No, this is this said about this started first that the children of the devil. I don't know about the children of the devil. I thought something is that Jesus very angry time. Maybe Jesus don't want to talk any more time. Jesus against to the Israel people time. I think this is my thought. It's not don't take it, okay? Let them go up catet mala yitasukum and mina when it say shook to that or catet mala dama thir pa lepo where I think power dark like a simon. Let them go down and the sukumo shiko taki the kai damata kalakasi a good no. Kepagate or not damata the pino. Kapakalele Kasesu a power no. Jesus said to them, no, Kasesu deva way a within, no, deva a within. If God's well your father, you are me through Pajama Thukasan, through Pani, you are me through Pani. You would love me, then thick air, no. You are me through Pani, thick air the bucket, no, thick air the bucket. For I came from God, no. Yehesu kasayo now and now I'm here no kaini you pay no kaini you pay no I have not come on my own no yethe su bukete no my own sidane yeno kasada ye ba no my own no for I come from God no here no Yehesu kasayo but he sent me, no, away Malaya. Let that put away Malaya, no. Tell a Malaya which are your hero, because the God sent Jesus to earth and they came in to, but the period, another thing. Why is my language not clear to you? No, Yakatuta Tuni, me through Bagitanamana. No clear sidane no tu tanapawa no tu the thing no to seva tu tanapawa no not clear ne no tu tanapawa no let tu go no tu the thing ba error no let tu go because you are unable to hear what I say no let an kura you are unable to hear what I say no Nathuni, Pagdemala, do the edo, no, Nahu, Dala, you dated power, no? Do the edo, Nahu, Dala, you dated power, let Anna You belong to your father, no? Do but 12 to pa, do but 12 to body pa, no, Pagdemala. The devil, no, when a mukoli, do but 12 to pa mukoli, no? Do but 12 Kasayo, do but Mukoli. And you want to carry out your father's desire, no? But we tell Malona, the edo heso who went to pa, not tapitama did pa, not tapitama did pa, no. He was murderer from the beginning, no? But we tell Malona, look, according to Cobony, what is my matida, murderer, no? Murder. That's a murderer, Sidano, or what they look according to Cobony, matida. From the beginning, look according to Kobo, or within Matidano, not holding to the truth, no, the Hika Tamitatoba, not holding to the truth, no, the Hika Tamitatoba, not Terano. Let us go to Tevadile, for there is no truth in him, no, there is no truth in him စီတာလေတာမီတာတော့တိုးလောအဝဲသိအကောပါ no truth in him နော်လက်တလို့ကတော့ပကလပါသူပါတာလဲတာဝဲနော် when he lie နော်ဖဲအဝဲမလီတာလေနော်ဝဲတလား he spoke နော် his native language နော်ဝဲတလားအဝဲကတူတာလာအစကလောနော်အဝဲမလီတာနဲ့အဝဲကတူတာလာအစကလောနော်ဝဲတလားနော်တော့ဖဲရတလား for he is a liar and the father of lies နော်ဝဲတလားမလားအဝဲနေမိတာလားပွာစစ်ဖာနေမိပွာလားနော်အလီတာတော့မေမတေတော်တော်နေနော်ပကတဲ့မှာလားအဝဲတင်နေမိပါသေးတဖာလားအဝဲကတူတာလားတာလီတာလောသေးတဖာလောနော်အဝဲတင်မိပါသေးတဖာလားအလီအလောတာ father of lies နော် lies ဒါတော့ပါလေအလီအလောတာသေးတဖာလော yes because I tell the truth နော်အဝဲနေနော်မိနော်နော် because I tell the truth နော်မိခေါ်ရတဲ့ရလေတာမီတာတော့နော် you do not believe me နော်ရတဲ့ရလေတာမီတာတော့သိတဲ့နာအော်ရပါ you do not believe me နော် can any of your prove me guilty of sin နော်ပကတဲ့မှာလည်း guilty of sin နော်သူတေပါယာတတမီမီလေယမာတာတကရပါပါလေရတောင်းမှုသူတေပါယာကစီယာနော်ကစီယာလက်တနခုတော့တေဝဒတင်းနေမှာနော် if I am tell the truth yamit data meta toni yamit data meta why no ba mnu le don't you believe me no ba mnu tu tana oya le no he who believe to God hear why God say no mata te pha le anna ka sai wa ni no awe the pagdan mana na hu wera ka sai wa no ka tu da ne lo the reason you do not hear is thus you do not belong to God no the reason no the reason I want to tag you away no you do not hear bitna hu ba no is thus you do not belong to God let that ko tu to pa thwe ba kha no ka sai no tag you ne no I don't know about the Jesus talking this meaning okay maybe Jesus very mad or Jesus very angry time or Jesus talking everything our Parisians and the Israeli people they don't believe Jesus this mean I thought by myself okay I don't know why are you thinking about this meaning okay John chapter 8 verse 42 to 47 it's written there you read it by yourself or maybe okay think about yourself maybe you will get something a stranger thing something the truth you will guess okay remember my brother and sister this is a very stranger thing it's not easy to accept this okay because what Jesus is people think about he is not come from the gods or maybe he is not our savior or maybe he cannot do salvation about to us maybe okay the people thinking like that I will tell you the truth Jesus can heal so many things Jesus can do so many things Jesus never showed his power to other people okay I'm glad you're here today okay you're watching this live stream I think God bless you God bless your family God bless you all okay thank you you are so with you you are so with you for you are later the energy you know just simply give to tomorrow no bye bye double no